So are you keen to see some green? Because we definitely got it. As you can see, we've had pretty good success back here, and a lot of it has germinated and things are looking pretty good. We're approaching the 42 days after germination window, which means I'm gonna be putting down my next round of fertilizer with RGS. And the fertilizer I'll be putting down is 1801 Green Punch. I'll make a video when we get to that point so I can go a little more in depth on that application and why we're doing it. So keep an eye out for that. That'll be here before you know it. And as you can probably tell, there are some bare spots that we're gonna have to take care of. Luckily, I have plenty of seed left over. I've got about 20 pounds. So what I'm gonna do is I'm simply just gonna dump it into an empty bucket and I'm just gonna hand spread that out. Weather is still decent and playing in my favor to put that seed down. I'm almost up into the mid 70s today, so I still got a good window of when I can get some seed to germinate, which is why I'm gonna go ahead and hand spread in these bare areas. I'll lightly rake it into the dirt and then it's water, water, water. I'm gonna water it in and keep watering it just to keep the ground moist so that seed can take. It's actually starting to drizzle right now and I've got rain in the forecast for later this evening and all through the weekend. So I might not have to worry about flipping on the irrigation and get that sprinkler going back here because Mother Nature is gonna take care of it for me. That's really it. Just wanted to give you a quick update on the next project back here in the fenced-in concrete pad that is my backyard. It's coming along. We're getting there. We're gonna have this thing filled in and looking amazing very, very soon. We also just wanted to take this opportunity and wish everyone a very happy Thanksgiving. Safe travels if you are. Enjoy this time with your family, friends, and loved ones, and we just really hope you enjoy and have a great Thanksgiving weekend. Nice, short, and sweet. That's really it for this one. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. Leave some comments in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, clicking on that bell to get the notifications for every time we upload new videos. Keep on keeping on, my lawn care brothers and sisters from other misters, and I will catch you next time.